My name is Mary Keller, and I hope in the next 5 years to become a professor of education at a university or college. Some fresh organizations that I found that related to my interests was the Indiana Non-Public Educator Association. I currently work in a non-public school, and I love this organization because they are such an advocate for teachers who work in non-public education, and I hope to continue to work in non-public because I love being able to share my faith with my students and have the freedom to do that. The Association for Science Teacher Education, I absolutely loved that they were talking about development for teachers of all science levels and the promoting excellence in teacher education. I love teaching science, so this is such a great resource for me. International STEM Educator Association, it's an up-and-coming one, but I really did love their focus on recognizing outstanding educators, supporting STEM laboratories, curriculum models, and then just like applied learning for projects and activities. They seem like they're going to be an amazing resource for teachers who want to go into STEM. And these two websites really did solidify for me that I really do want to go into a science STEM teaching position when I decide to, or when I make that move to a professor. This last one is the Society of Professors of Education, which I thought was really cool. Their next meeting is at Ball State University, so it's nice and close to home. And it looks like they do a lot of professional development, which is great. Journals that I found, the International Journal of Science and Mathematics Education. I love that it's international because I can pull in things from other countries, and they talk about constructive responses, so it's things that are still relevant to the US, but they pull in ideas from other countries, and I think that that's really cool and really beneficial. The next one is the Journal for Mathematics Teacher Education. I loved that they said they devoted to researching that seeks to improve the education of mathematics teachers and develop teaching methods that better enable mathematics for students to learn. It goes all the way from elementary mathematics to middle school, high school mathematics methods. And the last one, which I already talked about, is Society of Professors of Education, but the cool thing is they also have a journal. And so it goes through and it talks about different issues facing professors today and just different things. Like this one is on education and social justice. Like it's just different topics they talk about with professors. Some potential career opportunities. The first one I found made me really excited because it's so close to my heart. My undergraduate is from Butler University, and this is a job at Butler University. The thing that stood out to me was being able to support learners from a variety of backgrounds with strong student-centered and inclusive instructional methods, and also have valuing field-based practicum experiences, which is totally in my wheelhouse. The other one that I found was a faculty teacher education. The big thing that stood out to me was that they wanted them engaged in service activities related to the university and the professional community, which I think is awesome because they definitely value their school spirit. My reflection, I believe that the leadership role in professors is leading the future educators. They're sharing their experiences, they're sharing their tools, their expertise, and their ideas with them. And success means to me, what it looks like, what it feels like, is adequately preparing students to be teachers, creating assignments, projects, and experiences for those students, sharing as much as you can about your own experiences and all things, but even just down to like parent emails and parent-teacher conferences. Being there not just for when they are in college, but after. That's something I really value about what I had in my undergraduate experience. And seeing that students are able to come to you with their questions and their problems, knowing that you've done a good job. And thank you for watching.